Hi, my name is Joshua, and today, I'll tell you everything you need to know about Kerassentials before actually buying the product. I also have really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about Kerassentials supplement is, be careful with the website you're going to buy, because this product is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video and also fixed in the comments. So what is Kerassentials and does it actually work? And the answer is yes, really works. The liquid supplement Kerassentials is designed to treat fungal infections and strengthen nails. Kerassentials is a powerful blend of oils and minerals that offers a holistic approach to caring for your skin and nails. This special mixture is designed to protect the nail's keratin and fight fungal infections. In addition, it also enhances natural immunity. The blend of chemicals in this medicine, created by an expert, acts as a barrier against fungal growth and ultimately makes nails healthier. It is injected with a mixture of organic substances developed by a doctor. This mixture attacks the fungi that cause nail problems and fungal diseases. To combat nail and skin fungus, Kerassentials focuses on essential oils and antifungals. Its commitment to safety is demonstrated by the fact that thousands of people have used it with no documented negative effects, and its formulation is manufactured in a US FDA GMP certified facility and register. Thousands of people have already had incredible results with Kerassentials. I invite you to see some real testimonials on the official product page. For best results, the recommended is the purchase of at least 3 bottles. My personal recommendation is the purchase of 6 bottles, which comes with a big discount. Do not lose more money with expensive procedures and products that do not give any results. Make a test with Kerassentials and see the fastest and easiest results of your life. Remember that buying on the official website below, you will have 60 days to use Kerassentials 100% safely, without risks. Thank you for watching this video to the end, and if you still have questions, the best place to understand more about is on the official page. Click the link below.